Hello everyone, welcome to Terra Special. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download QGIS software. So this will be our first video in QGIS tutorials. So once you open your browser, just type in QGIS and hit the button enter. You can just see welcome to QGIS project. Just go to the just click on the first link. I'll be giving this link in the description as well. Now you can see here, so this is the QGIS website and the latest version is QGIS 3.26 Buenos Aires, and you can directly click the option. If you come down, you can directly find the option download now. Just hit the button download and you can see the latest version is QGIS 3.26 and we just stick on to the most stable version, that is QGIS 3.22, and you can find it LTR, that is nothing but the long-term release. So they will be supporting it till next year, first or second month. So you can directly use this QGIS 22 long-term release. Just click this option, looking for the most stable version. So automatically the download will be started. You can see at the top the download has been started. So if you want to download it for the Mac, you can directly click on the download for Mac. You can just hit the button download. If you want to download the latest version, you can click on the 3.26. Otherwise you can see the most stable version at the top or the bottom. You can also find it for the Linux, same procedure. You can stick with the Linux installation instructions. So the download has been started. It will be completed. Completed within 4 minutes based on our internet speed as well as the QGIS server. So this is for 64-bit software, and you can directly use it for Windows 11 also. It will be working in Windows 11 as well as in Windows 10, and it is a 64-bit software. So just keep that in mind while downloading it. You can also see the roadmap of the QGIS. If you just go to the top, you can find the releases. So currently we are using 3.22. So you can see. So currently I have downloaded 3.22.11, and you can see here the software is the long-term release 3.22 is supported till the 2023 January month. So after that there will be a long-term release that will be around, I think it will be a 3.28 version. So let us wait for it. So currently we can use 3.22 version. So in a minute or so the download will be completed. So the download is going to be completed, as you can see on the top. So it will be completed within few seconds, and you can just see over on the top the download has been successfully completed. So let me show you to you in the folder how the software looks like, and you can just see over here this is a QGIS software which we have downloaded, and just double click on it in order to install the software. You can install it on Windows 10 and Windows 11 as well. So you can see the setup has been arrived. So welcome to QGIS 3.22.11 version, and hit the button next to proceed. After that you can find the end user's license agreement. Just accept it and hit the button next. And if you want to add this to the desktop shortcut or startup menu, you can just enable it. Otherwise you can just remove the tick marks. Hit the button next, and now it's now you can see it is ready to be installed. Hit the button install, and you can check the status here. So you can just check over here. So the installation has been completed. So it took around 10 minutes for me. So if you are using SSC, it will be completed within 5 minutes or lesser than 5 minutes. So now let's open this software. You can see on the top, after the installation you can find it. Otherwise you can directly hit the button Windows plus S and search QGIS, and you can see the software QGIS desktop 3.22.11. Just click on it. So you can check. So this is the QGIS software, and you can directly click on the new blank templates. So more videos will be followed after this in QGIS for beginners, intermediates, and slowly it will be going to the advanced level. So thanks for watching Terra Special. Please do subscribe the channel. Thanks to everyone. Goodbye.